just looks upgraded, okay? Because they told me I had a luxury apartment, okay? Some stuff ain't giving luxury, so we had to make it luxury, okay? Luxury on a budget. What's up, Desirable Beauties? Thank you guys for joining me for part 2 of this video where I show you guys how I transform my backsplash in my kitchen just to give it more of that like luxurious feel, but on a budget. I showed you guys in the previous video in my mini Amazon haul the vinyl that I use. I think it's called vinyl. This is the premium peel and stick 3D wall towel, and everything will be linked below so you can see exactly what I use. Again, I bought 3 packs of these, so I really didn't need all of them, so I've already taken some out of the package. It's like that glossy feel to it, as you can see, like the reflection from the light. But yeah, and it is kind of pretty thick. I love how it has like that, you know, black or gray like in between the lines or in between the blocks or whatever. I love how it does that to make it like look really real. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. Now they say that you could just use a knife. Infamous YouTube hand. I just bought this X-Acto knife from Target and it was really cheap. It was like $7 I think. So all you really need is that and this, and let's go ahead and make this stop looking ugly. So first things first, of course, I'm gonna go ahead and just like remove all of this because I mean, we don't need it. Like I need to cut all of this off because it doesn't make sense, you know, like to have that. So I'm gonna probably cut it off and then place it about right here. My handy dandy X-Acto knife. See, I'm gonna be really like careful and slow. Like I'm not gonna rush this. Normally I can rush things like, so a X-Acto knife is definitely a lot better than a knife, I feel like. So I'm gonna go ahead and just remove like this top piece of plastic so it's easier to cut. And then again, I'm just gonna go ahead and, you got to get you one of these. I feel like it's making the cutting process a whole lot easier. Okay, don't be like me and do that, okay, because that's not even straight for real. So I think I'm gonna place it like right here because I kind of want it just a little bit behind the refrigerator. Don't worry, we're gonna have to cut pieces to put like on the top part of here, but I think this is where I want it placed. So I'm gonna go ahead and once you stick it, it's up there. It's up and it's stuck. So just gonna peel that off of there. Make sure you know where you want it before you start applying firm pressure, okay? So I'm gonna put it, like I said, I want it a little bit. I know I want it lined up on here and I want it a little bit behind the refrigerator. I'm glad that I have this because this helps me to keep it like all lined up. Okay, so there we go. We got that first one applied. Pretty good there, pretty good. Yeah, I like it, okay. So now let's go ahead with the second one. So as you can see, we're gonna have to really be cautious of this. So I'm gonna have to try to figure out how to get around that. Ooh, this is about to be the really tough part. I'm not even gonna hold you. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take the plastic off, right? And I know this is where I want it, right? And so I'm just feeling for the socket. So, and this is where I'm gonna cut. Yeah, this is why I got extra, okay? Because we might mess this up, but it's okay. So I'm not like, you know, it's like, so I can measure. It is about 3 inches. So I know that since it's about 3 inches, I know that this has to be about 3 inches right here. Okay, so let's do it, y'all. So yeah, as y'all can see, I measured it out to try to get the wall thing, cutting it out. This is supposed to be the wall piece, right? Let's see if this is even right. I'm scared. Okay, y'all, we didn't do too bad. Like the top and part right here is good. It's just too much space right here. Ooh, the wall part, y'all, is not about to be perfect at all. Like it's not bad. It's not bad. I'm gonna have stuff kind of blocking this part anyway, so it's not even like you're gonna really see it. So what y'all think? I think we did pretty good. What y'all think? And from here on out, it gets easier until I get to the other wall socket. Oh Lord, y'all. What am I doing? Like this is what we gonna do. Make it do what we do. That's the best we can do, and I feel like it looks good, okay? It looks fine. Now you're just matching them and placing them. Cut myself with this X-Acto knife, Lord have mercy. Little Mandy. This one, like puzzles, just lining it up on the side, but yeah. And it's like annoying, so let me move my little coffee bar out the way, fill it in. I think this part of the wall is lower than that side, so I really wish so. It's like right here, and maybe I should show y'all like what I'm doing. It ain't the best, but I have something covering this, so I'm not too mad at it. It's not the best, I know, but it's gonna get the job done. I mean, are you really looking at this? I'm not about to keep destroying these. I'm doing it again, y'all, because I can be a bit of a perfectionist. It fits perfectly. So yep, let's go ahead and lay it down. Like, other than that, I feel like these are really easy. It's mainly just the around the wall socket. So as you can see, y'all, like there is a little bit of an issue right here because around the wall socket. I could have did better right here. But who about to keep doing this? I wasn't. So since this was one that I had kind of cut off on the side, I think I can go ahead and just cut this remaining piece off. I really hate that the bottom part of this wall is like lower than that side. So you see how this hangs? I'm gonna have to cut these off. And so because I see this edge, I don't want to leave this necessarily like this. So cut these edges off. So that's gonna look a little weird. Oh yeah, that is 10 times better. But you know what, at this point, who is really looking on the side, okay? That is that, y'all. It looks as best as it's gonna look. We still have to do this whole row at the top, right? Because that just looks tacky in my opinion. I legit can just go like this, make sure the lines match up here to match. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I think this is where you could probably use some scissors. And it cuts really easy with scissors. Y'all can tell I'm starting to get real lazy with it. So yeah, I will be back to show you guys the finished product. Finally finished, y'all. I have been at this thing for a good minute. I'm not gonna lie, it was a little tedious, but I absolutely love the results. Like, as you can see, like it looks like real like tile, you know what I'm saying, that was put down like a real backsplash. So I love like that glossy finish. Definitely highly recommend it. I hope you guys were able to see kind of how I put it together. I tried my best. Like I said, the most tedious parts was doing it around the socket part here. This part is higher on this side than it is on that side. That's why I was creating like a little bit of a gap at the bottom. But other than that, absolutely love it. Totally worth the price. I would definitely advise when you are peeling it off just to be super slow and careful when peeling off. That way you're not peeling the paint off the wall. I love it. I am in love. I feel like it really just updated my kitchen, and then just how I have like, you know, everything else, it just gives it like that really like luxury look. So definitely, if you like this video, don't forget to like the video and comment on it. If you haven't already subscribed, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and everything will be linked in the description box below. Definitely click that link to purchase. It is on my Amazon storefront. So thanks guys for watching, and have a good day.